Hello, I am Amulya. I work as technology risk architect in Goldman Sachs. The paper that we are submitting for GHCI 2020 is importance of independent crypto reviews in vendors cloud security. So the whole idea of writing this paper was to help companies understand the importance of conducting their own independent reviews when they are agreeing for their data to be placed on the vendor cloud. We all know that most of the companies rely on vendor applications to handle operations like payslip, travel desk, or it could be submitting mediclaims policies, so on and so forth. So when these vendor applications are stored on cloud, then it becomes imperative for the companies to conduct their own independent crypto reviews to understand how their data has been handled on the vendor cloud, to make sure that the data that the companies are placing on the vendor cloud is secure. So being an information security consultant myself, I have come across the various challenges that the companies face before moving to the vendor cloud applications. So I have my partner Nidhi, who will be talking about the approach that we have taken in making this happen. Thank you.
Thanks, Amulya. Hi everyone, this is Nidhi from Tetris team Goldman Sachs, and I'm going to walk you through the methodology that we have used for our proposed solution. So basically, we have tried to explain what an encryption review report is and why is it important in vendor cloud security. We've also tried to talk about the components that it should include, as well as we've tried to explain how we can leverage the existing standards in order to build a process around conducting encryption reviews. So basically we believe that the encryption standard review report should basically consist of the following items. It should consist of the name of the independent reviewer, the date. It should also consist of the penetration test findings. It should contain the architecture and design review. It should consist of the key implementation mechanisms and so on. Also in our paper we have talked about how we can use the existing standard of the cloud control matrix, basically the encryption related standards, in order to talk about how we can customize these controls in order to build our own processes, and how they help us meet the security requirements of confidentiality, integrity and availability. So in conclusion, I would just like to say that encryption review reports are important, and they can help us in increase the trust between the data owner as well as the vendors where our data is stored. Thank you.